Quick before we get into the hunt here, just want to let you guys know that I still have northern conduct cats available, both the flat bill and the trucker style. Have a few of both available. You can find both of these at northernconduct.com. I package and ship everything right here out of my home. So if you guys are looking for a new black cat and you want to support the channel, make sure you go check those out. Thanks. Nice. Absolutely covered in snow and ice. Ooh. Okay, so today, as you can see, beautiful day to be duck hunting. It is north winds, currently snowing. It's probably about 10:30 right now. Just got to the lake. Should be a good migrator day. So we're gonna drop the boat in, go and try to find some birds and hopefully set up on them. All set up. Per usual, sun is just coming out. Snow's clearing up. Had two birds decoy while I was setting everything up. So lines not looking ideal. Wind's blowing the grass everywhere, but see what happens. Why? Okay. Finally did it and the gun locks up. So, just went and picked up those 2 ducks. We have a Drake Mallard from that first group and 2 ringnecks. So, oh, if you come spin the block on me. Oh, way. Wow, that was beautiful. Oh, my heart is racing. In the snow, tucked back, waiting here. Wow, that was crazy. That was so freaking crazy. Wow. Wow, that's a massive bird. Holy. Shooting light. Do not suggest getting lost out there. Oh, just finally made it back. just wrapped up. Boats loaded. A little bit harder to do all of this when you're out here hunting by yourself. But we got back safe and sound and ready to take the hour drive home now. So we ended up with 3 greenheads and 2 ringnecks. Definitely can't complain about that.